Welcome to the Brick in the Yard Mold Supply YouTube channel. We established this channel in fall of 2006 as a visual resource library of all things molding and casting. On our channel, you'll find all kinds of content detailing mold making and casting procedures, as well as complicated special effects techniques. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, you'll find all kinds of tips and new methods to use for your next molding and casting project. And while the materials used in our videos are available for sale on our Webstore, you'll find that our videos are educational and informative and never a sales pitch. Subscribe now and enjoy access to over 150 how-to videos and receive updates on new videos as they're added. You can also check out our physical store and warehouse located in Richardson, Texas, where we stock our complete line of products, as well as hold makeup classes and mold making and casting seminars. So check us out in person or online at brickintheyard.com.